Welcome back to our tech podcast, where today we dive into a fascinating new tool for Java developers, the Samchika library.
Thanks for having me. Samchika aims to simplify and speed up file processing through effective multithreading.
It sounds fantastic. Can you explain why multithreading is such a game changer for file processing?
Absolutely. Multithreading allows us to process multiple chunks of a file simultaneously, significantly improving performance.
That's impressive. So who would benefit the most from using Samchika?
Great question. Anyone dealing with large data sets, like log analysis or batch report generation, can gain a lot.
Could you share an example where Samchika really shines in real-world applications?
Sure, think about ETL operations. Samchika speeds up the extract, transform, load process, making data handling seamless.
How user-friendly is it for developers looking to integrate it into their workflow?
It's quite simple. You just plug in your file path and logic, and it handles the rest.
I love that. Is there any performance data that showcases its capabilities?
Definitely. We've seen significant gains, over 70% improvement on multi-core systems with large files.
Wow, that's a substantial difference. What about memory usage for these massive files?
Even at 16 gigabytes files, the memory overhead is manageable, around 800 megabytes.
That's reassuring for developers facing memory issues. Are there any unique features that set Samchika apart?
Yes, the optional runtime stats enhance debugging, giving insights on time and memory usage.
Fantastic. As we wrap up, what's your main takeaway for our listeners who might try Samchika?
Embrace the power of multithreading. Samchika makes file processing not only faster, but also simpler.
Thanks for sharing these insights. It's exciting to see how tools like Samchika can innovate our coding practices.
My pleasure. I hope developers find it as beneficial as I believe it will be.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.